Hi there guys, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com and welcome to this MightyHost review. So here I am on the sales page. It says first to market titanium core technology backed website hosting platform to smoothly host unlimited websites and domains on an ultra fast secured servers for 99.9% uptime without monthly fees ever. So today we're going to jump into that, see what it's all about. So before we do, drop a like, hit subscribe and turn on the bell if you want to be updated with new videos. Also, if at any moment you want to click off this video, first go into the description next to that green check mark that will fast forward you to a part of the video I created just for those of you out there who are serious about starting a business online. So jumping right in with MightyHost, this is what you can expect when you log in to your dashboard. Announcements, network status, there's a knowledge base, download, submit a ticket for support, and just various parts of your account. So there's not really that much to see on a hosting platform in and of itself. It's kind of a bit on the technical side. It generally looks like any hosting platform. You'll have like what plan you're a part of, you'll have your cPanel, email accounts, forwarders, file manager, your SQL database, and generally you don't spend a lot of time in this area. It's just really back-end information about your website. Like if you want to make any technical changes, or really for my own host, I really only go into it if I want to use the file, the FTP. So not a lot to show you there. So you can see it works like any kind of hosting platform. It even looks the same. They all kind of look the same. You can create an email account. Here you can create a website and it will build the website out for you in WordPress. So if you've ever used Bluehost, Hostinger, SiteGround, WPX, any other host, they generally look exactly the same as this. So it's not, as a host, it's not offering you anything new really. So this is like what you can install on your domain. So you can do a WordPress site, Joomla, abandoned cart, PHP, pretty standard. And you can obviously install like layers on top of that. For example, if you install WordPress, obviously you've got all the plugins and things like that. You can add your host, your admin username, all your passwords, users, and things like that. So there's a bit of a wizard here as well, where they're like, when you want to set it up, they'll give you sort of themes. You can do all of this inside WordPress anyway, and they help you just kind of get set up on a like using a wizard, if you like. Now what I wanted to do is really show you through the sales page. So we've seen like it's a host and it's it's like every other host, but what they're claiming here is unlimited websites and domains on Superhost cloud hosting services. Now, one thing you got to understand about this is that it's not a company running this, it's an individual, and it's an individual that puts out a lot of products on Warrior Plus all the time. So you got to question, like, the selling point of this is that you don't have to pay a monthly fee. But there's kind of a contradiction right off the bat, because it's like without any monthly fees ever. So they're trying to say like normal hosts require a monthly fee, but with this you won't ever, right? And it's like when a newbie thinks about that, they think, great, it's cheap, I don't need to pay monthly fees. But if you really think about it, it's like, well, how are they maintaining it? Who are they paying? You've got to pay back-end engineers to maintain, upgrade servers and things like that. So the fact that you're not getting regular money makes me think that it's not a reliable host. So don't think, I believe when buying hardware, a host you can consider hardware, a TV, a radio, whatever. I think with electronics and things of that nature, the rule is that you get what you generally pay for. And if you're paying really cheap for a host, you're gonna expect like cheap services, cheap support, and all that. Now the contradiction I just mentioned, it's like will be $27 a month, but just $17 now. This pricing also is not very transparent, and I'll show you what I mean in a second. But let's just go down, and I found a few red flags here that you should be aware of. And the first one is this email correspondence, which to me seemed like laughably fake. So they're saying that this is the support kind of inbox, I guess. But really you can see it's Facebook Messenger, and it's gone, hi Subhash Yadav, and it's like, hello Alex, I bought the MightyHost bundle plan, and I have seen I got unlimited SSD storage and I can host unlimited websites. Oh yes, it's 100% true. thanks for bought bundle plan. So that, like, the English is terrible. But were you facing problems? Yes, all-in-one bundle upgrades are great for me. Don't worry, our SSL, it's like an advert rolled into like some weird support. And the funniest part is we've got this testimonial down here, and it's used a fake picture taken from thispersondoesnotexist.com. So as you can see on your screen, it's very easy. You go to thispersondoesnotexist.com, you keep refreshing the screen, you get the picture you want, and it looks exactly like this. So straight off the bat, they've used some kind of broken English fake support testimonial, and then they've faked this guy's face. They've faked a testimonial. And then as we go down, they've started to put this make money online spin on everything, right? We've seen that it's just a host. Like, it's just a host. It'll host a WordPress site, and you know, that's it, okay? But we've got, look how much money we made, right? And what they've done is they've screenshotted the Warrior Plus dashboard. Now, they make money from selling products, so these might be real, but it hasn't come from making money off this product. It's probably come from selling products to newbies, or as you can see on your screen, it's come from, you know, right-clicking, going to inspect, changing the number, taking a screenshot, and giving yourself some fake earnings. I don't understand how you would make money off a hosting platform via Warrior Plus. To me, that like doesn't make any sense. Website hosting can either make you money or cost you your entire business. Fast, reliable, secure. Now, is it reliable? Reliable for me is a company that it exists, maybe public trading company, Hostinger, SiteGround, Bluehost, WPX, like the big names that have full size companies with support, engineers. You know, I want monthly fees when it comes to a host. Tying into that make money narrative they're putting on this, to me, this is not reliable if it's only one person running it. Especially one person who is advertising with fake testimonials, fake earnings, and a weird fake support email thing. So here's like another fake correspondence. John Smith. Of course his name's John Smith. Hi dear. I am a user of MightyHost. This is really amazing and fastest server I have seen ever. Oh, thanks so much, dear. Customers, your feedback. Did AI write this? Feedback. I permanently moved from Bluehost to the MightyHost server, and I host 5 websites. Still, I have a lot of SSD space to host unlimited websites. Awesome, bro. Okay, gone from dear to bro. You need any help from us? No, your support team reply and solve our problem very fast. Okay, so this guy is just emailing to support. He's emailing support to say he doesn't need support. He's emailing to support to just say, to tell them what their service is. Oh, thanks, bro. I want to tell you why you keep very low price plan on MightyHost server. You are created amazing servers like A2 Hosting, Bluehost, and other top hosting company, so you need to charge thousands of dollars from the customers. Thanks for your kind words. But it's launch time, so I want to keep very small price plan for my... Like, come on, dude. Why would you email support? It's like me emailing like iPhone support and going, hi iPhone support, I don't need any help. I just want to tell you that you have iPhone, iPhone Pro, and iPhone Pro Max with up to 256 512 gigabyte of storage. Hey, do you need any help? No. You also offer great... Come on, guys. This is like laughably funny, and it's backed up again with a fake testimonial face from thispersondoesnotexist.com. So I don't even really know what to say about this, guys. I just thought I'd throw out the quick warning that, you know, fake, weird ass like chat script messaging there that's clearly fake testimonials and fake earnings. Here they've taken like just pictures of a cPanel. Okay, like I don't want my support saying bro. Like, let's look up another one. Hi, hey bro, thanks for a reply. Actually, I'm a user of MightyHost before using SiteGround, but one thing, like, why would you email someone and say all this stuff? And there's another fake testimonial from this person does not exist. Now, the final red flag for me on this is if you click buy now, it goes through and you think that it's $17. It's going to be monthly, okay? Didn't it just say you won't pay monthly ever? But anyway, yeah, your money would go through. And then after your money goes through, you think you've gotten it, but you haven't gotten everything, because you'd actually be hit with another sales page selling you the pro version. And it'd just be these extra kind of things. So you don't get the 8-core processor. Is this even a real thing? In the front end, you get like something else, even though they just advertise that to you on the very first heading of the sales page. But yeah, that's really what this first upsell, usually a pro version, they cut out some functionality in the front end to get more money out of you on the first upsell. Then you'd actually be hit with a second upsell each time your money would actually go through. And then it'd be like, you know, some extra stuff that they've cut out just to like extract more money out of you. And this would happen a third, fourth, fifth time. So you've got 5 upsells that are hidden from you completely from the front end. Classic for Warrior Plus shiny object scams, trying to extract as much money out of you as possible. So just a warning there as well, because this is completely hidden from you from the front end. So thought I'd just call this one out really quick today, guys. If you want to host, I would go with a real hosting company. Another thing that they claim here is that DreamHost, HostGator are $1,200 a year. Hostinger is $900 a year. GoDaddy's $1,000 a year. Bluehost is $750 a year. That's completely untrue. I mean, if I just go to Hostinger, out of all of them straight off the bat, it's $299 a month. So I don't know how they're getting $900 a year. They're either just lying to you, or they're like very bad at math. Okay, so yeah, I would avoid this, guys. I would avoid going with any host that isn't part of a real legit company, especially when they're lying to you with fake support correspondence being called dear and bro and all this, using a fake testimonial from this person does not exist, fake earnings from Warrior Plus, and then this funnel that's completely hidden from you, which is used to take advantage of newbies, their commitment consistency bias, and just pull money out of them. So avoid this, guys. And as far as the make money spin on it, hosting doesn't make you money in and of itself. Now, for those of you who are looking to start a business online, click the link in the description. You'll go through to another page. I'll talk to you about my Silver Spoon program. Teaches you step by step, Silver Spoon, how to make money with content and affiliate marketing right now in a legit, scalable way. All right, guys, so I would avoid this. And yeah, if you need further help building that business online, you want to get started for free and join a community of 200 members for free, click that link and I'll hopefully see you in there. All right, take care.